Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my latest project. Look at this. This is a table centerpiece made from the waste, made from recycled materials. This one is made from the dried steam from the tomatoes. Look at this. This is the tomato. So just remove your fresh tomato and keep it dry. So when it is already dried like this, just retouch it with the use of the nail polish. Look at this. And then attach with different colorful beads. And it will look like this. Then fix it here in this serving plate with the use of a hot glue. Okay, and down here I created this, I fixed this like a mushrooms. Look at this. This is like a mushrooms. This one is the steam or the stalk inside of the garlic. Look at this. This is the garlic. This one is coming from inside of this garlic. Just remove the garlic and trim outside this one, and it looks like this. And this popsicle stick, I just fix it here, and this one I fix it with the glue so that it serves like a mushroom. And this is look like a mini garden. All you need is the dry steam from the tomato. Look at this. Just collect, and you need some beads. If you want colorful beads, you can fix colorful beads, or if you want all white, it's up to you. And you need a serving plate and a picture frame stand. Look at this, so that you can stand your serving plate, and this will serve as your home decoration or table centerpiece. So I hope guys you get an idea on how to recycle your waste material from the tomatoes, from the garlic, and from the waste material from the popsicle, and you can transform it like this as an instant home decoration. So if you like this video guys, just give me a thumbs up and just leave a comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will learn different things from me. I am uploading videos every day, and I'm also doing live streaming. I'm doing live streaming tutorial on how to create DIY projects made from waste materials. So this is all for today guys, and I would like to inform you that my new channel name is Roptelsa Vlogs. My channel name before is SGM Creation Tutorial Travels and Lifestyle, but now I changed it into a short name, Roptelsa Vlogs. But that is the same, nothing changed in my channel, only I changed my profile picture and my channel name. So thank you so much for watching, and please leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video so that others can watch this project, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated always with my new upload videos. So this is very easy guys. All you need only is the waste materials of the tomatoes, and from waste materials of the garlic, serving plate, colorful beads, picture frame stand, and glue gun and glue stick. And this is a very unique table centerpiece for your home. Bye bye. Dankeschön. God bless everyone. Stay safe always. Ciao.